so sorry.
Nice, Jess! Yay! Good job, Jess! Yay! Nice serve! Ah, yay! Good job, baby! Nice serve! Yay! Good job, baby! Yay! Good job! Good job, Yuji! Good job, Sashi! Outside!
Keep swinging, Caleb. Keep swinging.
Yes, Shane! Yeah! Woohoo! Good job! Yay! Woo!
Good job, 2-1. Let's go.
Our serves now is getting better and better and better. Everybody. Later. One, two, three, up. 1, 2, 3, up.
Mexico terminal.
I forgot. I didn't see it.
Linda, good job.
That's a quick hit. Yeah. Nice, Karina! Girl!
You can't do nothing about that. That's a malaria hit. Malaria hit. You can win. Hey, but it works. It works. It does. It works. It's tricky. It's hard. It's
Ball, 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 ball.
So Gigi, she always told me, I like to play Pride. Because Pride is rich, so she gets to really, but I'm going to do well. She likes girls who work hard. Like, then she gets to, like, block them.
Yes, Shay! Come on. Woo! Oh!
There was a ball.
I can drop a
Oh my God, that's a line. That's a good one.
Let's go!
Let's get fired up!
Let's get fired up!
Oh, let's get fired up! Let's get fired up! Oh, let's get fired up! Let's get fired up! Oh! Keep on swinging, baby.
Girl, keep swinging!
it's her mistake.
Picked it up though.
Yeah, it's Redo. It's her mistake. She called it. Nice. Woo! Yay!
Great job, Minion!
Yes!
Swing, Kaylin!
Nice. Nice, Kaylin. Woo!
Middle.
Yay! Woo! Crash
Keep
it.
going!
Woo!
Mama needs a bed! Shit done in two.
Good job, girls. Good job.
Get there!
Yes, right.
Let's go. Good job,
Good
man.
job, baby.
Sides, man, sides.
Out!
Sides.
Oh, it touched.
I guess you forgot. Great part. Great part.
Follow the ball, Jay. Follow the ball.
That was a great part.
Get stuck in the ground. Stuck to the ground.
Nice! Woo! Wow!
Aggressive, Vicky.
Good job!
When you're hitting, you're passing, you're setting, you're hitting. Go up.
Very good.
They're doing their job, baby. You know what's funny? Slide.
What happened?
What is it, Diego? Slide is what? 7-0? They want slide is 7-0. And now we compete with them.
Don't drop the
You know? And then we struggle. I know. But it happens. We have bad days. We gotta have bad days. But it was funny because it was a
Yes!
I know, all of them. Everybody was horrible. Not even bad. Everybody
Oh
was
my God.
They had, I think they just wanted to have fun at that first game.
Net. Net.
No, I think they slipped out of the
All right, get it together.
All right.
I haven't in a long time.
It's okay.
That's all right.
Now I don't even wonder I'm going to be dinner.
Nice pass.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay!
Nice pass. Nice
Good job.
Good hit, Tuna.
All threes, the big threes. Smash that bum.
Yay!
Let's go, Jesse.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, Jesse.
You got it, baby.
Stay hot. That's it, Jess.
Oh, be careful.
Good hustle, mama.
side. Good job, Kaden.
Yay!
Good job,
Yay! Woo! Good job!
Let's go, Tuna. Say hi to one.
Crush them.
Crushed it.
Good job, Tuna.
Good job.
One outside. Angle, angle. You can't block all the ball, girl. You ain't blocking that ball. It's a soft ball over your head. You ain't blocking it. Hit that in the head. Oh,
Yay!
Great job, GG. Oh, yeah. Oh!
Yay!
Job, Kaden. Oh, no. I didn't see that.
I'm like, which side the ball fell?
Yeah.
Well, this late, I'm already losing.
Oh, yeah. It's
Nice serve. Flashlight!
Oh! Defense! Defense!
Yes, sir.
Coño, Valeria, vamos!
Ah!
Two more points.
Woohoo!
Come on, Gigi.
Oh! No. ¡Vale, Valeria!
Yeah! Woo! One more, Julie.
One more.
And let's go home. Right?
Go, GG. Take it out. Close it out.
I remember one tournament last year. We were here till like fucking 11.
Oh my
And we
God.
had to be in at 6 a.m. the next day. That's when I died. We were the last two teams in the whole
Oh
building.
yeah, true. Same thing with us in Daytona before.
It was Daytona.
Yeah,
That
Daytona.
place is poison.
Oh yeah. It's like all dead.
Besides the beach.
That's Daytona. Yeah, that's Daytona.
It's rough. Oh, darling. They touched it.
Yeah!
All right. Wait a second there. No. Get him. No, again. He goes, he did. So funny.
You're on live.
Highlight of my day.
Woo!
Good job, Danny.
Very good, baby.
Are you from the Philippines?
Yes, baby. Why? Why you ask?
I don't know, because I got confused. Because I remember my mom telling me, but I can't remember the name.
Huh?
Stay across the
I
ball,
remember my mom
guys.
telling me, but I didn't really like we gotta win this bronze or go back into. I don't know. I was just curious. And then I didn't really know you, so I'm gonna know start with the
We got no shot.
PH.
Oh yeah, Philippines. Yeah. We will go together go to Philippines. We're gonna do island hopping. You like that?
That is up forever.
You wanna swim with the crocodiles?
Crocodile.
No, I don't want. No, island hopping is good.
I'll take it. It's my fault.
You cannot miss there. You cannot be working. You have to be here.
I'm gonna quit.
We can't afford to be here and sit on this.
You have to be, I don't know, you have to say you are sick.
I'll try that next time.
You see? Look at them. Yesterday,
They're already tired.
Press the button.
Shit, I'm too late.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Hey. I wish I could like borrow some of that energy. Right now I'm faking it.
The monkey. The monkey is like the
The monkey is the popular one.
the monkey
How did he get so
good vibes.
Good vibes, yeah. We need to buy everybody monkeys.
I'm sure they probably who did that monkey?
Maybe they wanted monkeys too. Yeah. But you know, in June they have everybody has a lucky pet that they have all
Oh yes,
together.
Galen, last year it was the weighted dinosaur. Everyone had that.
Yeah.
All right, what's the hold up, lady?
Oh my God.
Let's do this, girls.
Let's get fired up. Let's get fired up. Oh, let's get fired up. Let's get fired up. Oh, let's get fired up. I'm trying to make myself awake. Yay! Woo! Good job, baby. Go, Jess.
What was
Okay, say hi on 3. It's all right. You've been clutch all day. Shake it off, Jess, shake it off.
Shame. One down. One a little bit.
Hey, what is this score?
3-1. Come on, one good passion.
Yeah! There we go. Cover!
You got these girls, come on.
Gotta cover, girls.
Oh my God. That's so quick.
All right, get it together, girls. Get it together.
All right, all right. Go, Kaylin. Yeah! Oh my God, beautiful. Oh my God.
Good job, Kaylin.
Woo!
all day.
Why is almost no one wearing the Hawaiian stuff?
Yeah, you don't wanna.
Go Wildfire!
Come on! 6-3.
Stay aggressive, Wildfire. Stay aggressive.
You're gonna beat them. You're gonna beat them. Out! Yay! Good boy, baby.
Kaylin!
Thank you, Danny. You're super nice. Yay!
We'll take it.
Woohoo!
Nice set, Juji.
You got these girls. Come on. Good job. Nice, nice, Juju. So cute.
You can't really sit inside.
All right, guys, that's it.
That's it.
Don't give them a chance. Crush them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Ow!
Yeah.
Hey! It's line. Shut up! 31. Thank you. Ay, si Shay na pala yun.
Go. Go. That wants to go home too.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow! Yay!
Nice set, Kaylin.
Good job, babies!
Great set, Kaylin. Let's serve.
Yay! Come on, Shay, we need to lead.
Good job, Shay.
Good job, baby! Out!
Who touched it?
What?
Who touched it?
Nobody touch it?
Nobody touched that. Nobody even
Who
close.
touched it, girl? That's crazy.
Nobody touched that.
That's crazy.
Let's go.
Body wasn't even in the air there. We gotta move on, I guess, but that's annoying as hell. We'll call it for calling that line one out, I guess. Yes.
Go, Vicky. Yeah! Good eye, Tuna! Good eye! Woo!
sorry, Chris. Stop. Sorry, Chris.
You were ahead of me. Yay! Oh my God! Beautiful! Oh, thank you. Oh my God.
What the hell? Where's the ball?
There's no ball?
Where's the ball? This lady's crazy.
Come on, there's no ball.
There's no ball, right? On purpose.
Yes, sir. Oh, Juji. Out! Yay!
Very hustle.
Give
Very
us
hustle.
Score! Score!
Rap, score, rap. Score!
Score! Point!
Jesus Christ.
14.
14!
One more.
14.
Pay the fuck attention, please. I gotta get out. That's so close. So exhausted.
Woo! Let's do the wave! Wave!
Does that work? How can we get
Start the wave! Start the wave! Wave!
That's it.
Danny!
Oh! I blinked.
Okay, just get it. Get it.
Let's get it! Let's get it!
She's so cute. Pásalo, pásalo para el otro lado. Para el otro lado. Who's fixing hair?
Me.
Who? Tuna was fixing Julia's ponytail. She's so cute in the middle of the point. Yeah, like, what the? Well, right after it.
What?
Line, línea. What?
What?
Jesus. What's that?
Jesus, I like this referee trying to give them points. Oh, yes! Wow! What has to say? Kevin, pass the ball. Pass the ball.
All right.
That's amazing.
Woo. Wow. Ah. Time out, time out.
She can hit with left and right. How did they get 14?
Yeah. They give.
That referee really just wants to give them points.
Yay. Good. All right. That's it.
All
Let's
right,
get
we
a
gotta
point.
refocus, slow down, and do everything right.
Crash down. Come on, baby.
Good pass.
Good pass, Shay. Good pass. Good set. Good hit.
Luna.
Yay! No? It's out.
It was out? Trapezoid. I thought they touched it.
The net touched it. Alright, come on. Yeah! Woo! Good job!
Let's do that some more.
Get ready.
Has Karina played yet?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it come out.
Yeah, that's Kaylin. That's what I'm talking about, Kaylin. Rishi! Yeah!
Check the light.
Nice serve! Yes!
Job,
Nice
Kaylin.
set, Shay!
Okay.
Alright, oh my god. Wait.
That's a hell of a walk.
That's it!
Thought I was going through the net. Ugh.
Nice touch, Kaylin.
Good job, Ali.
Nice swing, Dolly.
Get somebody.
Nice, Jess! Come on.
Through the block.
You should always be here. For sure, when you're
Oh,
here.
Nikki, yeah, we can't,
Yeah,
we can't do this again.
yeah, you're the lucky charm.
I'm gonna hire a doppelganger. A look-alike.
Pay
And
her
show them how to make
$200.
a few drinks.
Yeah.
Pay her $200.
Holy sight. Busted. That's why. Okay.
Alright. One good pass, one good pass.
Let's regroup. Come on. Let's go. Slide out.
Nice.
Great job, Amanda. It was live.
Yeah.
That was live.
Good job, Taylor. Way to hit that corner.
Good job, baby.
when she serves. Jinxed it. Put on the gas, girls. You got this.
Nice. Nice, Bashay.
Yeah! Take him out! Ace, Ace, in your face. That was amazing! Football! Damn! What, is he in here? I don't know. But that was football.
That's football. That's tuna. Anywhere left.
Yeah.
Foot.
We have to replay that one. Yeah, who has that? That was great. Oh, sure.
Just 1 point.
Talk ahead of time, girls. Talk ahead of time. He's got what? He's got what?
All right, move our feet. Everybody just get the ball. Bum rush each other. Dylan, get there.
Oh, man. Time out.
All right.
Time out. Time out. Get ready. Get ready.
All right, get ready. Get ready, Ricky.
Step up and become deep. Use your hands.
Yeah, that's it.
What did I say?